Okay, I'm out here on a new construction site. Do a lot of cleaning for construction companies, builders, as they install their carpet and then have workers have to come in and do various things. They often get spots on the carpets like this right here. You see that red stain? Those are where I come from in Georgia. We call that Georgia red clay. It's the same thing here in Alabama. But this red clay does not come out with a standard cleaning. Deeply embedded dirt like this usually requires a scrubbing technique and an extraction technique with a machine like this one. And I will show you that in operation momentarily. Okay, I'm going to try to do this with one hand, but this machine that I'm using is called a rotovac, and simply scrubs and extracts at the same time. I'm just putting down the water, going over the red stains. See how they begin to come out quite easily? But again, this would not happen with a traditional carpet cleaning wand. There are some types of stains that are just simply too embedded or too discolored to work. Let's go get that one right over there, right here. Presto, changeo. Those stains are gone.